In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a versatile and powerful source code editor developed by Microsoft. It's widely used by developers due to its rich feature set, which supports debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippets, and embedded Git. Alright, let's dive into the installation process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official Visual Studio Code website. You can do this by entering code.visualstudio.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This is the central hub for all things VS Code, where you'll find the latest versions and updates, so it's great for getting started. Once you're on the website, you should see a big download button labeled Download for Windows. Click on it. This initiates the download of the installer file that you'll need to proceed. Depending on your internet speed, it shouldn't take too long, but take a moment to prepare your system for the installation if necessary. After the download is complete, locate the executable installation file, which typically appears in your download folder, and double-click it. Once the file opens, you'll be greeted by the Visual Studio Code Setup wizard. This handy tool is designed to guide you through the installation process and ensure everything gets set up correctly. As you progress to the next screen, you will be presented with a license agreement. To continue, you need to accept this agreement, so go ahead and click the checkbox next to I accept the agreement, and then click Next. This is a standard procedure for most software installations, where you agree to the terms under which the software is being provided. Next, the setup will prompt you through a few installation settings. Feel free to go through them, but for most users, the default settings work perfectly fine. Keep clicking Next until you reach the Install button. This is where you confirm the installation settings and allow the wizard to begin setting up VS Code on your machine. Afterward, click on the Install button and lay back as the setup does its magic. This process can take a few minutes, depending on the speed and performance of your computer. During this time, files are being copied and configured behind the scenes. Once the installation completes, you're done. Visual Studio Code is now installed on your Windows 11 computer. You can choose to launch it right away or explore the application later. To open it, simply look for Visual Studio Code in your Start menu. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code, a fantastic tool that will serve as an invaluable asset in your coding endeavors. Now you're ready to start coding with one of the best editors out there. Enjoy the experience and happy coding!